John Costa, the editor of Citizen's Eye. We're here in Alton Square, outside Curve Theatre, for the annual Phoenix Bike Ride. 300 young primary school pupils have cycled in, with 80 adults. I think we've got about between 30 and 40 police officers here as well, supporting the ride in. It's Andy from the Mercury doing his thing. It's been a really good turnout. A few spots of rain in the air, but as I was saying earlier on Facebook and Twitter, it's always a colourful event and these guys are always up for it. Never complain. And they're off to Phoenix Square for some award ceremonies. And then hopefully, if the weather holds, when we return, there'll be a display by 3 times UK BMX Flatland champion, Keelan Phillips. So look out for this photograph. There's Andy Baker from the Mercury is taking it. So this may well be the photo that gets into the another lot arriving. There's 300 of them have ridden in all across the city. Pamela, taking some photographs.